If this goes wrong, I'll never promote my affiliate link again and miss out on hundreds of dollars. You're probably wondering what I'm talking about, and that's Viral Ecom Adz, the agency that creates e-commerce ads that I've promoted in multiple videos of mine. I want to introduce you to Viral Ecom Adz. Viral Ecom Adz. And this time around, I'm gonna put them to the test. After all, it makes no sense to promote a service, yet I've never even tried it myself. Yeah, I remember I wrote this on my wall a few months ago. I was only making like $60 a month. Learn and make mistakes. That's a cycle you need to go through in order to win. It's time to get to some 1K days, some $100 days at least. So I hope Viral e-commerce can come through for me. Produce some good ads with some good hook rates, hold rates, and direct the right amount of traffic that we need. From then on, it's literally just scaling, which is editing the budgets. And until then though, I'm gonna stay hard. Right now, I'm like 50% done with the landing page. I need to put like gifts and the bundles and reviews and stuff. Viral e-commerce hasn't hit me up yet, but I know they will soon, trust. For context, the product that we were selling this time around was a face massaging tool that uses red, blue, and green light therapy to make you look younger. Of course, there's a lot more specifics I could get into, but that's the basic concept of the product. And as for the website, I use the usual template that I showed you guys how to design. And if you'd like to watch that video, then click here on the top right. So I purchased Viral Ecom Adz Meta Split Testing Package for $60. Though after using my affiliate code and getting the commission from my order, it ended up being around only $42 that I spent on receiving these ads. And inside the ad package, it said it would come with 4 ad variations, which are all basically going to be the same ad with a different hook or different first 4 clips. So you know, at the end of it, we just end up making 4 completely different ads because they also allow you to have unlimited revisions. And according to the website, we're also meant to get an ad copy. More on that later. And once we had ordered the ads, my business partner and I got started on the one thing which was in our control, the website. Alright y'all, it's the next day and our ads from VA finally came through. Yeah, they're not perfect, but a good thing is that alongside with your purchase, you also get infinite revisions over the next 7 days. So that means even if you wanted them to remake the ad 20 times in a day, they have to do it because it's part of the contract. So right now, I'm preparing the document that I'm going to send to them, update it with our offer and the copy that want to be in the ad. Also, my notebook is damn near full of sauce. But boom, I already got a new one ready, bro. We don't play out here, so yeah. I also have my little mindset notebook. They're actually different. This one's for just dropshipping info, and that one's for, you know, just mindset, being an entrepreneur, and just being a better person in general. So I'm gonna finish this up, and I think the next time I'm gonna talk to y'all is when we're gonna be launching the ads. Alright y'all, so my Viral Ecom Adz are back. And I'm currently dubbing them with AI. The new 11 Labs update is crazy. You all need to go over there. Now, of course, there's an option to order my ads with a voiceover, but that would have been $10 extra. And I don't really see the point of doing that, seeing that 11 Labs added this whole AI library, whatever. Alright, let's play that.
The red light therapy activates collagen, which reduces wrinkles and fine lines. Alright
guys, so it's currently the next day and I had to send the ads back for one final revision. Now I'm uploading all of them to Facebook. Although I'm supposed to receive my ad copy and I haven't seen any word of that. I emailed them twice asking for it. They completely ignored the first one. So I sent a second one, so we'll see what will happen. But our goal is to launch these ads tomorrow if we get the ad copy through, or we may just write our own. But I don't want to half-ass it because it's not something I've really specialized in. And I mean, damn, I paid for it. Send me my ad copy. But here are my ads, my cash cows. And how am I feeling about this campaign? To be honest, bro, I'm excited. I just want to get 2 sales because we already got 1. Now let's just get 2. Let's build it slowly from there. You know, before I used to say, oh, 100, but yeah, 2. And I'm gonna be happy, bro. Alright guys, so they pulled a fast one on me. Apparently, sales copy refers to the copy in the ad and not the ad copy, so I'm gonna have to write my own. You're faking a fraud. But right now, I'm working on the ads. As I said, I'm adding the voice lines. And we're launching tomorrow, so let's get it.
Deep in the water, far as I can see. Deep in the water, it's just you
Alright guys, we got that round of deep work over. Now we will be launching our ads at midnight as usual, and midnight in the UK is gonna be in about an hour and 45 minutes. I do want to use this time to be productive, and today I should have triple uploaded on my other channels, but as you can see, Wi-Fi is having a little issue, bro. For example, it took like 10 minutes to open this tab, and I'm gonna try reload it, and it's gonna keep trying and trying. Apparently it's because of some underwater cable connecting the internet to Europe not working. It cut or something. The part that doesn't make sense is the laptop isn't working, but the TV is good, bro. I can watch anything. I know most of y'all would use this as an excuse not to work, but hell nah, not me, bro. We must trust in viral Ecom Adz, because the only point where I've been going wrong seems to be my ads. So now that we've outsourced, just gotta wait for results, man. I'm gonna be honest, I don't really feel tense about this upcoming store. Maybe because I've done it so many times and failure has just become normal to me, which is a good thing because I failed for damn near 5 years straight before I ever made a single dollar off YouTube. So I understand that failure is just a part of the process and it is required in order to get to where you need to be. So I'm just gonna chill here, you know, absorb any kind of useful information. By the time I wake up after I turn these ads on, I could be an official ecom bro. Because you know, most guys have gotten one sale, but doing it again, that's what makes you different. Hey bro, it's almost 2 AM, 3 minutes left, and look at what we're dealing with, bro. It ain't looking too good, bruh. We might be cooked, chat. We might be cooked. Bro, this is so crazy. That doing us Africa, boy, is bad, bro. All I literally need to do is click one button on the website. 1 minute. Bro, this is crazy work, bro. I'm actually gonna be late on my fucking ads because of this Wi-Fi, bro. Yeah, so it's the next day. The ads are live. They've only spent like 38 cents. Our strategy this time around is to again sell only in the UK, and our offer is a buy 2 get 2 free. And we're starting out with a creative testing campaign that's actually an ABO with 4 ad sets because we got 4 ads from viral Ecom Adz, and we're running each of those 4 ad sets at $20 a day. And we're going to run them until they all spend at least $10. And the ones that will stay on are the ones that have a click-through rate of 2.5% or higher, a cost per click of less than $1, a CPM of between $12 to $16, and ideally it should have either a sale or an add to cart. But this time it's a bit different. One of my inspirations in dropshipping dropped a free theme on his website, and bro, just look at it. I'm gonna put it up on the screen right now. It's crazy, bro. Obviously I expect it to bring us at least a higher conversion rate. Yes, I know your website is not everything and people are not gonna buy your product just because your website is beautiful. I know that, but this time around that's really all I can control. I've made my offer, I've outsourced my ads, so all the time I'd be spending on that, I'd rather just convert it into spending time on the website. And now we just wait for money. So it's time for the big question. How did the ads perform? Now for the creative testing campaign we spent $51, and from that $51 we got 3 add to carts and 4 checkouts initiated. Somehow, I guess maybe someone reloaded the checkout page or whatever, but 4 checkouts initiated, no sales. But this was a really good thing for us because the last time we got a checkout initiated on a creative testing campaign, my gosh, let's see. Oh my god. It was when I got my first sale on Valentine's. That's crazy work, bro. So obviously this is a step in the right direction. The cold interest testing didn't get any purchases either. And that was after a spend of $63. And neither did it get a single add to cart, which is crazy. So in total our ad cost for this store was $121.38. Of course I could cry, but I'm glad we got another checkout, bro, and 4 at that. I know I take all the small wins. Of course, as I said earlier, I wanted 2 sales, but next time is coming pretty soon and I'm gonna have way more time to just focus on ecom alone, because today, truth be told, I told my parents I'm trying to drop out, so it's really time to take this shit to the next level, bro. No plan B's. Having a plan B is planning to fail. Plain and simple. I also have a pretty good check coming from my gaming channel this month, and we're gonna use that to test like 6 products. It's looking good, bro. Of course, I'm not just gonna go waste all the money on ads. We're still gonna keep learning how to get better and better until we start getting sales, and even then we'll still focus on getting better and better, except this time we'll have money. And money makes a big difference. And additionally, we're thinking about joining a course because we'll also have funding for that. So if we just pair all these products we're gonna test on top of the mentorship we'll be getting, it's a match made in heaven, honestly. So I'm really just waiting because June 22nd to July 22nd will be an insane month for us, bro. Whew. So, what's my verdict? I believe it's pretty obvious. They failed me. They had one job, and that was to give me a return on my investment. Sales on my store, which never happened. But it's cool. I guess I'll just never promote their service again. And from me to you, do not buy ads from Viral Ecom Adz. In fact, with what I know now, you're better off just making your own ads. Because at the end of the day, you want to be the person that has learned how to bring these sales. Because if not, you're just going to be dependent on all these other ad outsourcing agencies, which is not what you want. Because as I said, advertising is literally 70% of your success with dropshipping. And if you don't know how to do that, that means your only job is product research and website development. And if you want to go the easy route, then you do that. But I know I won't. So if you guys enjoyed this video and you're interested in following my e-commerce journey from here onwards, then please subscribe down below because this next month is going to be crazy. But until then, happy dropshipping to you all. Peace.